We often get confused to recognize the clasp picture at the examination like NEET MDS and INI CET AIMS, that is also MDS. So I decided to show you some of the clasps picture. Now first of all, this picture, can you recognize it? What clasp is it? Is it crochet, swords, delta or triangular? Just see the pattern. This is swords clasp. Now we will go to the next question. You can see the pattern of this clasp and you have to recognize what is this clasp. Is it crochet, swords, delta or triangular? According to the design, you can easily make out it is triangular clasp. So we have learned swords clasp and now triangular clasps. Now we'll go to the next pattern of clasp. So we already know how swords and triangular looks like. So is it crochet or delta? Is a very important question. It is a crochet clasp. Crochet clasp. In recent examination, we have seen repeat questions from clasp design. Now this is, you can easily make out from the design of this clasp. It is C clasp. It looks like C and the name is also C clasp. Now next picture, you can see the ball end here. So according to the design, the name is also ball end clasp. Now we will go to the next type of clasp. Is it south end, crochet, Adams of anterior? None of the above. You already know how crochet look like. The answer of this question is option A, that is south end clasp. Now this is Adams with J hook. This is Adams with helix. This much for today. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.